Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Juventus. In today's analysis, I want to show you this big falling wedge pattern, and right now Juventus is very close to break this resistance of a very big falling wedge pattern very soon. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my recent trade setup of Juventus that I shared with my members at the Patreon almost 2 or 3 days ago. And this was the pattern and a trade setup that I shared on 27th of August when Juventus completed a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move on 27th of August. And you can see at that time it was moving at the very end of this buying zone. And by the way, before this, I shared this bearish Gartley move that was basically an idea for the short position. And let me just show you this idea first. And by the way, this time the price on was very close to hit this target and move very close to hit this target, but move up. And before this, I shared this Gartley move, and that was back on 21st of March. And before that, I shared this cipher pattern, and that was, by the way, on 28th of August. And let me show you this Gartley move first that I shared on 21st of March. And you can see the price line pumped very well. And after hitting the sell target, moved down. And this is the idea that I shared on 28th of August in 2021. And you can see that this was, by the way, with Bitcoin pair. And if I play this chart, then we can see that that was a quite nice pump. Again, moved down and again pumped well. And before that, I shared this Gartley move, and that was back in May 2021. And that was another very, very big pump. You can see that was a huge pump. And before that, I shared this Gartley move. That was another Gartley. That was back on April 21st. And this was, by the way, on the 2-day chart, and you can see this was huge pump. And before that, I shared this Gartley move. By the way, this was, I think, bad move. Not this is the Gartley move, and I was expecting that all the legs were because driven perfectly as defined for the bullish Gartley move. Therefore, I was expecting that this final leg will be completed, and I told my members that soon this leg can be completed, and we can buy it from this range. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line dropped here, completed this final leg, and we had a very nice pump. And now let's move to the current chart that I shared almost 3 or 4 days ago on 27th of August. And this was the Gartley move that I've shared, the most recent one, this one. And you can see on 27th of August I shared, and our buying zone was from $5.53 and goes to $4.94, and our sell target were from $6.13 and goes to $6.77. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line again pumped very well and moved up to $6.33 and still moving here at $5.61 right now. Now, if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then this can be a very, very nice opportunity if it will break out this resistance of the wedge. You can see it is not able to break out this resistance since after December 2020. We got rejected here, and so many rejections we are having. And we also have so many touch points here as well, even though we had a long spike to the downside beyond or below the support of the wedge, but could not break down. And right now we are again here, and after that our key resistance will be here at $7. And once we will be able to break out this key resistance as well, after breaking out this wedge, then our target can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $26 to $27. That will be quite big move. Therefore, the next few days or even next few hours can be really very important. At any time it can break out, and after breaking out this resistance, we can expect this big pump. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.